In PT3, please write PT3 syllabus. Don't talk. Chapter number 6, physical and chemical changes. We already did this chapter in PT2. So now it is not in PT3. It is not in PT3. Only 4 chapters are there. The first chapter is chapter number 9. Chapter 9, soil. Next, chapter number 11, transportation in plant, animals and plants. Chapter 11, transportation. Yes. Animals and plants. Next chapter number is 13, that is motion and time. Next chapter number 17, forests are lifeline. Only these 4 chapters are there in PT3. Okay, bache? Now next, there are 2 EV topics. Soil erosion, and the second one is importance of plants. What is soil erosion? The removal of the top layer by the action of rain and water. Okay, that in detail we will study in the EV topic, and we will discuss the importance of the plants. They are giving us oxygen and other uses also that we will discuss. Okay, clear? Now next, coming to the activities. There are the activity number 1, that is to show the various physical and chemical changes. It is related to the chapter number 6. Okay, so there are only 2 activities. This activity 1 is now is not in PT3 now. Okay, because it is related to the chapter 6 that we already did in PT2. Okay, clear? So there are only 2 activities. First activity is to show that soil contains moisture. Activities. This activity it is related to the chapter number 9, soil. Clear? And next activity number 2 is to study the oscillatory motion of pendulum. You all have seen pendulum? Yes. So it is there is to and fro motion is there. And we will study this activity in chapter number 13, motion and time. Okay. To study oscillatory motion of pendulum and find its time period. We will perform this activity and then we will find the time period. Okay, that means that time taken to complete one oscillation. Okay, that is the time period. In detail we will study when we will perform this activity. Okay, both activities we have to perform in the lab. Now you will write PT3 syllabus on the first page of your notebook. Okay, last. Okay, you can write on the last, but what you have to. Yes, right. And please, this time, complete your notebooks simultaneously. Okay, at the same time you have to complete it. ऐसा नहीं है मैम थर्ड चैप्टर में और आप फर्स्ट चैप्टर ही नहीं कंप्लीट है. That happened in the last two PTs. ठीक है? And you have to, जिनकी राइटिंग बहुत गंदी है, प्लीज improve your handwriting and PT3 में थोड़ी सी इंप्रूवमेंट होना चाहिए. पहले बहुत गंदी हैंडराइटिंग है आपके क्लास में कई स्टूडेंट्स की, उसको इंप्रूव करिए. अदरवाइज आई विल गिव राइटिंग पेज. ठीक है यतिन की ठीक है, मामिना की ठीक है. ओके एंड प्रॉपरली ड्रॉ द डायग्राम्स ऑन योर नोटबुक. ठीक है, और एनी अदर पॉइंट? नहीं, that's fine. Now coming to the next. First bench, any doubt in the question paper? Scientific name of yes, Mallory. Scientific name of that is Morus alba. MORUS ALBA. It is already given in the NCERT back exercise. Any other doubt? Please raise your hand. Which set? Set B. Okay. A substance X reacts with the substance Y to produce a gas and other substances. Please. When the gas is, there is a gas that is produced. When the gas is passed through a substance that it results into milkiness. Identify X, Y, Z. X is vinegar, Y is baking soda, Z is lime. This activity is already given in your textbook of science. Next is name the gas produced. It is carbon dioxide. Name the new substances that are formed. There are two new substances that are formed. That is causing milkiness. That is calcium carbonate, and the water is also released in this process. Any other doubt? Water. It is important to write water because you have to mention both the products that are formed. 1 minute. Name the gas produced. I told carbon dioxide. In the C part, there the new substances that are formed there. The new substances formed are calcium carbonate and water. Any other doubt? Electromagnet. That is all. It is used in electro. In trains, it is used electric bell. Bullet trains is also based on this. MRI machines. Any one by one you will ask. Adaptation of polar elephant. Set B. Shreya. One by one, yes. Set B, 27th question. Bache, it is write any 3 adaptations of elephant. Notebook, it is already given. Question number 9 of which set? Set B. Write one effect of greenhouse effect. Here you have to greenhouse effect. Listen, the effect of greenhouse effect is global warming. Global warming का result है वो आपने जो glacier बोला, melting of glacier. So the answer is global warming. Melting of glacier is the effect of global warming, that is increase in the temperature. Yes, both are correct. Buccal cavity and mouth. Both are correct. Please, seventh green. Yes, Ajitesh. Yes, carbon dioxide. There is one day summer have experienced the need to pass watery stool frequently. This condition is known as diarrhea. What are its causes? Infection, food poisoning. That you can't write. It is due to indigestion. You can write. Name the solution, that is ORS. Yes. Any other doubt? Row 1. Done. Row 2. Yes, Vamika. Set B. Name the unit you use for measuring rain. It is millimeter. It is in this units are asked. Okay, units were asked in this question, so you have to mention the unit. Next, any other doubt? Row 2. Any doubt? Please raise your hand. Aditesh. Disadvantage, you have to mention that if it breaks, we have to replace it. Clear? Disadvantage लिखना था. Okay, now row 3. Yes, Vipul. Okay, now please. Next question. Next doubt is. Just give me a minute. Blanket wala question. Okay. Section B. 2 marks question. During winters, Rahul takes one thick blanket and Suresh take 2 thin blankets joined together. Who will feel more warmth and why? Suresh will feel warm, more warm, because there are 2 thin sheets that are joined. That means there is air is trapped, and the important point is that you have to mention air is bad conductor. Okay, that you have to mention also. Allow the heat to escape. Yes. Any other doubt? Row 3. Yes, Taran. Morris Alba, that I have already. Next. Any doubt? Yes. Now next. Row 4. Any doubt? Yes. Huh? Sorter's disease. Sorter disease. यही है ना question? Yes. Sorter disease is an occupational hazard. Name the bacteria. It is anthrax. You have to mention the name of the bacteria. Clear? Yes. Obviously. Which out of the 2 not changes frequently? Weather or climate? It is climate. Any other doubt? Any other doubt? No doubt? Taran? There is a question, what is LED stands for? Why is it preferred over light emitting diode? Yes, Ramneek. Why is it preferred over bulbs? Because this, most of the students का ये जो आंसर था वो wrong था कि why it is preferred. कोई क्या लिख रहा है पता नहीं क्या क्या लिख रहा है, गैस नहीं है, वो नहीं है. What is the correct answer? सेट बी का था. Okay, set B. Because it is, yes, it consumes less energy. नहीं. That the bulbs that is having, the bulbs are also having gas, but that is not that much harmful. वो inert होती हैं, वो react नहीं करती हैं. ठीक है, bulbs में argon gas होती है, तो आपको इसमें लिखना था कि that is, it is, yes, consumes less electricity or give more light than the other bulbs. LPG. During LPG burning of LPG, both physical and chemical changes takes place. इसमें you have to mention physical also and chemical. Firstly, physical में you have to mention that yes, liquid to gas form. There is change in the state. बच्चों ने ये नहीं लिखा है. They are writing new substances are formed. ये irreversible change, reversible change. Wrong. It is new substance form. CO2 is formed in the presence of oxygen. Yes. वो chemical में है. On the same basis, there is burning of candle in another set. So in that also physical change, melting of wax, and in the chemical change, burning of wick and burning of wax. New substances are formed. What is your name? I forgot actually. Yes, प्राची. जो PT2 में कहा था दोबारा PT3 में कहना पड़ेगा. Largest gland in our body. What is the role of this gland? That one by one. Yes. Bile juice. In our digestion. Yes. इसमें गॉल ब्लैडर लिखा है या कुछ भी है. सैलिवरी ग्लैंड्स लिख रहे हैं कोई बच्चे. Wrong. Totally wrong. Bile juice secrete करता है. That you have to write. Yes. In the last section D, identify the picture. This you have to just identify A, B, C, D, E, and F. Buccal cavity, esophagus, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, and then anus. Rectum उसका upper part होता है, anus का ये. Next, what is the function of large intestine? That has an absorption and assimilation. Both are correct. Water and salt, you can write this. Next, after digestion, fats are converted into glycerol. You have to write both. Okay? You have to write both glycerol and fatty acids. In the another set, it is about what is the function of villi. Villi, it increases surface area. After digestion, proteins are converted into amino acids. Absorption, it increases the surface area for absorption. Any doubt? So tomorrow we will start chapter 9 soil. Clear?